Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Shauna. I would love to have you back. I do make videos on luxury unboxings, reviews, as well as haul videos, style videos, stuff like that. So if you like those type of videos, then definitely hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified every time I make a video. I usually post up videos every Tuesday. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best luxury gifts for her under $500. Now, most of these items I have in my collection, and to be honest with you, I don't think I can live without them. They are must-haves for me, so I know that any woman in your life, or if you're just watching this to get ideas for yourself, I know that you're going to absolutely love these items. So, the first one is going to be the Toiletry 26 by Louis Vuitton. Now this retails for, sorry guys, I just want to make sure because they always change, $425. And I know it is very, very difficult to find right now. You can find them on the pre-loved market, however they are usually marked up. But if you do find it, if you do happen to get your hands on it, this is one of my must-have pieces by Louis Vuitton. You can wear it as a clutch, you can use it for travel, you could use it as a keep-all in your bags. I'm sorry, a catch-all in your bags. But honestly, I think that this is such a great investment piece. For $425, you cannot go wrong. It is multifunctional. There's so many uses to it. It fits a lot. It actually fits basically everything that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video inside here. I do have a video where I review this. I will link that down below. And yes, so number one is my Toiletry 26. Amazing. Must have. Now, on to the next item is of course going to be another item by Louis Vuitton, and that is my 6-ring key holder. I have this in the Damier Ebene print. I do love it in monogram as well. I think at the time I just wanted something in this print. It holds all of my keys, including my key fob, and I use this every single day of my life. Literally every single day. It retails for $250, and it is available right now on Louis Vuitton's website. I'm sure you can find them in store as well, but it fits 6 rings. You probably can add more than that, but honestly, I don't know who really carries more than 6 keys with them. I'm sorry, I meant 6 keys. Yeah, so it holds 6 keys. They do make this in a 4-key option, but I think it's only like $25, maybe $50 less. This is just so worth it. I mean, for something that I'm using every single day, I'm getting my cost per wear. This is a no-brainer. Everybody should have this. Okay, next I'm gonna switch it up and throw in something by YSL. This is a Yves Saint Laurent card holder. I have this in the croc print with the silver hardware. Yes, it's silver. And I use this every single day of my life. Sorry guys, we got cut off. So I was saying that these retail for about $300, and I found 2 options for you guys. I'm gonna link them down below. I found a gold one for $235, and then I found, I think it's a black and silver or black and gold for $275. So definitely check the description box down below. And basically, I don't even use a wallet anymore. This is my number one. All my cards fit in it. You can even fit in some cash. I don't have cash in there, but you can. In the inside, it features 4 slots for your cards and then a middle slot in the center. I probably have, I don't know, anywhere from 10 to 15 cards in here, believe it or not. Absolutely love this. Let me know if you guys actually want a review on this particular card holder. Definitely comment down below if you do. Okay, so another must-have. I use this every single day. So you will be super happy with this, or whoever you are looking to purchase something luxury, they will be so happy with this. Now, next is another thing that I legit cannot live without. Unfortunately, I don't know if it's available on the website, but I still had to include this, and that is my mini Pichette accessory, and this is in the monogram print. I literally cannot live without this. I am going to search for other luxury brands that have something similar to this and link it down below. So make sure to check that out. But I still wanted to give this little cutie a shout out. I will literally throw in this, and I can even throw in my keys and my key holder and just run into the stores with this. I keep my cash in this. Basically, it fits literally everything, and I just legit cannot live without this. So I had to include my mini Pichette accessory from Louis Vuitton. So I had to include my mini Pichette accessory by Louis Vuitton. Next is a pair of socks. And yes, I said a pair of socks. Gucci socks, baby. So here are, don't mind them, but these are the most beautiful Gucci socks you will ever see in your life. They have gold running through them. And they are absolutely gorgeous. I believe these retail for $160. I will show you guys on either side of me a picture of me wearing them. You can style them so many ways. In this picture, I styled them with a strappy open toe heel. I love that look. I think it's really cool. You can also wear them with sneakers. I think anybody receiving this gift is going to be absolutely thrilled. So I did find Fendi sneakers. Sorry guys for looking down at my phone. Fendi socks, not sneakers, for $85, and I'm going to link those down below as well, because I think that those are also another great option for less, $85. And yes, and so the next item is another thing by Gucci. I am going to insert a picture of me wearing this and a picture of this item, but these are the Gucci tights. I don't know if you guys are seeing that. And I actually scored mine for $85. However, they do retail for $145, and I actually found them for $95. I'm gonna link them down below, and I'm also gonna insert a picture of myself wearing them, but literally elevate any outfit. And if I were to receive those as a gift, I would be super happy, because not everybody is willing to, sorry guys, not everybody is going to be willing to be spending that much money on a pair of socks or hosiery. So, but it literally elevates any look, absolutely must have. And then the last item is a pair of sunglasses. These in question are the Gucci sunglasses that I actually scored for like $90, something crazy. Sorry guys, I'm a little stuffy. But basically, who wouldn't want to receive a gorgeous pair of designer sunglasses? I'm just looking at my phone because I am going to insert a picture of a pair of kick-ass Dior sunglasses that are on sale right now for $310. I also found these as well. I think they're on sale for about $300 as well. Not the best price, because I did find these for $90 or something crazy, but I will be linking some awesome options down below. I cannot believe I almost forgot to share this with you guys. Another item that I absolutely think is an amazing gift under $500 are a pair of designer sneakers. Now these are my Golden Goose high top sneakers. They are the freaking bomb. I get stopped every time I wear them, and I absolutely think that this is an amazing gift under $500. I found a few that are on sale. These do retail for over $500, but I found a bunch of really awesome ones, high tops and regular tops, on sale. So check my description box for that as well. But these are freaking amazing. I wear them with everything. Awesome. Best gift. All right. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Definitely check me out on Instagram, because you'll see me wearing all of these, and you'll see more pictures of these items. My name on there is trendythread_. I would love to have you guys there, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.